they sometimes have the time from school to meditate. I believe some of you know the Venerable Pip because he is very inspiring to me because he always taught me that meditation is very helpful somehow because we cannot think of solution. Our mind needs breaks. Our life also needs breaks. So take this time to meditate because when you meditate, you can turn every impossibility to possibility. Ladies and gentlemen, students are the same. They meet a lot of problems during their academic life, but some of them fail and then they quit. But while some of them quit, but they don't fail. So here I want to stress you out that quit to fail, but do not fail to quit. In conclusion, education plays a very crucial role to help deal with any problem students have faced in their life. But no matter how high educated you are, you will still have problems. And in this case, if you are not intelligent enough, if you are not capable enough to deal with any problem you have faced in life, I believe education, or no matter how high educated, many degrees you have handed in your hands, still you fail to success. That's why education, together with meditation, can turn every impossibility to possibility. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Teacher Janti. So right now, please, question from the judges.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, judges.
Okay, very interesting. And I have heard from your presentation, you have mentioned that meditation does help students to be more intelligent. So my question is that how can meditation foster student intellectual development?
Excuse me, can you clarify your question again, please?
How can meditation foster students' intellectual development?
Yeah, thank you so much for your question. Very interesting. If I am a very critical teacher, I will help my students to be very intelligent. Thanks. To answer your question, I have said that our brain works a lot in every day, 24 hours a day. So our brain and our student brain also works, especially during their school. And in here, meditation can help because when they meditate, they will have a short break to their brain, like a food to feed their brain. So when after the short break, I believe that the student can have some time to think of any solution to a problem they have. So here, I would suggest to teachers that put more problem to students, but give them short break and let them find a solution later. Thanks.
Okay, thank you so much, Teacher Janti. Okay.